Keeping your MacBook secure is something most people don't think about until they actually need it. Maybe you step away for a quick break, leave your desk at work, or just want to make sure no one can access your files while you're not around. That's where locking your screen becomes really important. It instantly protects your data without shutting down your system or interrupting your workflow. A lot of users assume they need to log out or close the lid every time, but there are actually much faster and more convenient ways to lock your MacBook Neo in seconds. Once you get used to it, it becomes a simple habit that keeps your personal information safe without any extra effort. Try these. Step 1. Press Ctrl plus Command plus Q on your keyboard to instantly lock your screen. Step 2. Or click the Apple menu in the top left corner of your screen. Step 3. Select Lock Screen from the drop-down menu. Step 4. You can also press Ctrl plus Shift plus Power button to lock it quickly. Step 5. Go to System Settings, then Lock Screen to set automatic lock timing. Step 6. Make sure password is required immediately after the screen locks.